So we wanted the men, then the kind women where they need to run. No say women too no get the kind men where they need to run away from. Oh, then get you. So make men no start to dey dance alanta now. Men too una get the one where women no supposed to follow, because una self get for body. As women get, na so una self get una own for body too. Some men really pack am for body water. Anyways, make we concentrate on women where you as man should never even consider marriage with. If you want your peace of mind, yeah. If you want peace of mind, you don't want a story of had I known, stay away from these women. If you want to enjoy marriage, enjoy relationship, enjoy healthy relationship, healthy marriage, stay away from these kind of women. No reason them for marriage, because marriage na lifetime contract, and you supposed to evaluate them well before you go sign the paper. Oh. Say you won't get healthy relationship, no be something where you fit do only on your own. Alright? No be just by avoiding the wrong kind of person or finding the right kind of person. Now two-way street you. It is they always dey easy knowing who dey best for you when you no even know how he or she fit turn out in the future. Or however, e get some signs where you go see some character where you go see for some kind people. Where be say you go look and say, mba, when I see this kind behavior, when I perceive this kind character, make I tear it to avoid waiting future gbege for inside marriage. Number one on top of the list on this type of women, where you supposed to do buy garri for, no even need to come close to them. You see these ones, and they call them users. No guy for this world who I know would like to come across that kind of person. Babe, where they like to use guys. Huh? No. She just wants to be with you. She just want to date there. Maybe they see you with them. They use you as gate pass. She go get close to you, make you fall in love with them. Just when he be like say, I don't find the one. Now him be the person. Now she be the coco. Now she be the real deal, the MVP. Boom! She go put you one side, carry your friends them, jump on your friends them. Anybody where make sense pass you, she dey use person. She's just a user. She wants to be with your best friend, but she also want to use you as gate pass. She want to with this one bobo, but she want to use you maybe for noodles. She want to with another person, but she want to use you as recharge card boyfriend. She want to with a particular one, but she want to use you as the one we go they fund maybe we go they fund her for maybe shoes and bags. The one we go they pay for her cream, or the one we go they pay for her soap, her toiletries. She go there with this other one. Now you go they buy fear for moto. She go there with this other one. Now you with the person we go they we go be the person we go they in charge of maybe food stuff. No, say some people still save guy's name. Emeka food stuff. Ew. They go put another one, Sikiru recharge card. Now so someone baby take save guy's name. Oh. Sikiru recharge card. So anytime when they need recharge card, now you with the bubble they supply them. Now Sikiru go they supply them recharge card. The ones the way they drive motor, they feel save another person name. I'm do petrol. If they are to get problem, now you be the person where go they supply them. Or go carry mechanic can't give them. Anything we happen to their cash and now you go they foot that bill. That they be users. Those people are users, and they go also follow. They be users in short. They are users and they like money where. Those ones they will go always a demand for money too. Run away. No even consider these ones them as wife material. This other one na people wey dey very materialistic and dem like money no be small. Dem like money die, and not just liking money to make the money by themselves. Na to dey ask you for money 247. They get one thing wey dem wan use money for. Dem no ready to carry their money do am o. Na you. Salt finish for their house, na you go buy salt. Pepper no dey, atagungu don finish, dem go call you atagungu. You go recharge DSTV, you go buy fear, you go put Netflix for am, you go bedsheet, you go sew am. Im bra don cut, you go buy. E go remain make you pay for the air wey im dey breathe. Water finish for house, you go buy water. E no get seasoning cubes, na you go buy am. E go ask you money for everything. E go demand for toothpaste money, toothbrush, everything. E dey very demand. Everything na money. Una no fit get conversation like this make money matter no follow. And no be say una dey discuss how to make the money o. Na how you wan take collect money? How far na money for recharge card? You drop that one finish. Okay, how far? That money for this one, for shoe, money for bag. All the whole one bed wey dey this life, wey dey this world, in dey at ten d all the parties dem, and na you go dey use dey foot the bills. You go buy all their shebi wey dey this life for am. You go also pay all their shebi money for am. Alakpa stainless, alakpa sise. You know they ready to do anything with in hand. You know that even when he dey hustle, he dey feel entitled as long as say you and I dey run things. You supposed to run everything wey concern am. Very material. See, this one dey be like when somebody dey rob you. Na robbery be this one o. But e just be like, the robbery, they no carry gun, they rob you. But that robbery e be. E no carry gun or knife put for your body, but e dey rob you broad daylight. You know they like anything wey dey inconvenience am o. Hey! Na this one no dey like anything wey dey inconvenience am. Na. Ajuluchuku say I don meet that kind before. You know, like every time we go, eatery. Let's go. Chop. Home cooked meal. Although some people get phobia for cooking. Yeah. I know some people get phobia for cooking, but at least they make small attempts. They don't just want to know how to cook. They don't just want to know. They don't know. They don't want to know. They don't want to be inconvenienced in any way. In any way. She go let you fend for all her needs. In fact, you go fend for her needs finish. You go fend for her family members, them own join. You go fend for her friends, them join. Her friend want to buy wig, now you go pay the money for the wig. Her friend is sick. If her friend do this one, now you. Hey, you remember that, my friend? That one where I mean that day. You need recharge card. Now you. Now you go fend for everybody. In no get any way when they support the relationship financially. They know this kind of ones, they know they support the relationship financially in any way. Some men, they married to some of them like this. Some men, they marry this kind lady now, where they talk about put for house. And they hear, they hear them, because they give unto them water. They give unto them water. Hey, the other one where so you where they single, like you come for our pool party now. I go see some girls. I pray that you will not see this type. This type will not come to our pool party because all these people who I won't mention. Just shine your eyes well. Alright? Shine your eyes well, you. This type make you no follow come. Shine your eyes. These ones. Hey. You get this other one too, where you're not supposed to consider marriage with you. You see that one, where they struggle with insecurities. Hey. This lady go do anything and everything to keep you or chase other girls away from you. Now so she go constantly they talk negatively about herself. Yes. And I saw too, she go they monitor you like she go do everything. Their insecurities no get part 2. go check your phone. Oh, you go all the female contacts wey dey your phone, you go send them message. Stop calling my bobo, stop calling my husband. So you no even know the one wey be business partner, and we the one wey no be business partner. You no know the one wey dey parole with you, and the one everybody wey be woman when you see there, you no supposed to be woman. Oh. As long as you dey date them or you marry them, you and woman no supposed to stand talk. You and woman no supposed to do anything. No be say you even be womanizer, or you dey run any package, with any woman. Oh, okay, I dey talk about the man wey no cheat you, wey him hand clean. Na dem go come call. Who be that? As long as say na woman, dem fit even collect the phone from your hand. You know how many men wey their women don break their phone, wey they don scatter their laptops, wey they don destroy business relationship, wey go put food for table, oh, because say na woman carry the contract come, because the girl wears mini skirt come follow am talk, because dem say e be like say this babe fine pass me, oh, my husband or my one bobo I fit dey enter am. Their insecurities dem no get part two. Your text messages, your WhatsApp messages, in fact they go clone am, they go clone your WhatsApp. So the message go dey go straight, and na so they go dey fire the people dem messages them. So many men dem don lose business opportunities, big contracts, jobs, because of this type of women. They don spoil ground for them. See the way they don take how many years so when e reach time for them to harvest, this woman come like this and use her insecurity scatter everything one by one, because na woman like am bring maybe the contract to come. E just feel say you and na the wrong things. They no wan see. Once he tells say they see you with woman, you go see them, their body go dey shake like this. You must not see you with woman, no. You must not talk to woman, no. It's okay if you dey jealous, oh. You understand? But e get levels. That level wey don dey reach say you, the woman no dey confident in her own self. So any other person wey come near na threat to her relationship, oh, na threat to her marriage, you. So whether na neighbor, some of them go do am so they do am to their female daughters, their pikin, oh, their pikin to their own daughters. They go do am to their own daughters. Some of them they see their own pikin, wey be daughter, as a threat for their own marriage. Hey, that kind of insecure woman, run for am, oh. No consider marriage with am, oh. Because babala monetary spirits wey pass am no reach here. E get the one where they act like person wey demon possess am. See that one wey be say nah dey laugh, another time just squeeze face, nothing do am. Mood swing, na so go dey swing mood like pendulum. Na so im mood go dey swing like weather. Na dey laugh, oh. Next thing now, im mood just change, face just change, begin dey act like person wey dem set from village. Quarrel just start every time. You dey find one woman this thing for your phone. This one get familiar spirits. E go pick up fight every time. They do like person wey demon possess. And e get the one wey be say Mrs. Complainer or Miss Complainer, now we go call am. Everything no dey right. Everything is wrong. E no get anything wey dey right. You no get anything wey you dey do wey dey right. So everything you do for am na wrong level dey always enter. Everything you do for her na wrong level dey enter. E dey always forever dey find the wrong fault, yo, with everything wey you don do for am, or wey you go still do for am, whether you do for im family members. E no get one day for this life where where you don tell you say baba ebeji, oh, my bobo, thank you very much, you, for this. Like you buy am my favorite perfume, you go complain say this fragrance now e get 2 colors. Why you no buy the color blue own? Why na color yellow own you go buy? You buy am as a bra size, or maybe a bra. You go tell you say why you go buy condom bra, why you no buy lace your own. You say let me help cook food yo, so that you go fit take care of children o. Na lie yo. Salt too much for inside this. Who send you message to go cook? See as you put water for everywhere. See as you scatter the kitchen. Na so they scatter the kitchen. See as ya. You give am money, the money, this money. Na so your mates they give their woman money. Nothing what you do with the ego always find faults for anything and everything where you they do. Complain, yeah. It go make you lose confidence for yourself if care is not taken. You go begin they second guess yourself. Go begin they doubt yourself. Say, you sure? Because now so you go they ring and put for your ear every time. In fact, even everything is not just right. She just loves to hate you. And this thing go make you lose confidence and even self-respect. It dey kill man ego in the long run. If you marry him, he go just carry your ego like this, kill him pata. So run for that kind of person, no. Run from am. Hey. Then we get the one where be say they chop dog leg. If we put meter for the vagina, the meter go blow. They are very promiscuous. Hey! Pio waka. You get this kind of woman as a baby. They want to consider marriage with them. Well, I am Ilelu. Like my late precious stepmom goes, I am Ilelu. Man, you know they dear. If you go ahead, you're on your own. This one, pium. This man today, they want to jumping from one man. They change them like pants. No, pants itself is handbag. Now say go they change them like handbag or the way they change. Some people know they wear pants. So make we say handbag. Now say go they change them like handbag. Very promiscuous. You see, I'm with this man. She just they take pride in her. You know they are ashamed of her mom. Hey, she know they are ashamed of this type of life where they live. Now they always they get best friend. Now so man food as best friend. And she they use them the cover up most times. I know, so don't get it wrong. I know talk say females no fit get guys as their best friend you. But see this type of woman where they talk about they tell you say these guys be their best friend. Now lie for this type of ones where they talk. Now lie you they use and cover up. Then they love you all of them. And as in if you put meter for their something, the meter go burn, it will catch fire. Very promiscuous people. If you marry them, just ready for high blood pressure. Because even dating them alone, your blood pressure don't sit down one place. When your babe go come out or your wife go come out, you know go fit just say and na here he dey, na there you go meet am. Na lie, he don't go collect. Every time they go collect from this one, collect from that one, collect from this one, collect from that one. Now that kind of person you see what go put for us as wife. You there with the cheating one baby, what go put her for house as wife. Go ask some men where their woman they cheat water. Hey. They know they find am funny o. You see they make some of them they lose their senses o. The men know they find am funny. Woman wey they keep for house they can't be the well, stay away from this kind of women. If you want to live long, don't even consider them for marriage. And you see another type of women where you're not supposed to consider for marriage. You see that one where believe you say now you go come complete them. The woman will never take her time to know herself. Will never take her time to know her beliefs. Where she dey go for this life, where she come. Her purpose for life, she never discover them. Why she's here, reason why Baba God there plant her for this earth, she never discover. She never know wetin she dey do. She doesn't know. She don't even know her beliefs. She don't know wetin she think about herself. She just will say with you for her life. Her life don't complete. And every other thing go fall in place. Once she say I do to you, hey my brother, run 440, make your leg they reach the back of your ipako. Make it tear that race, they run. she go just dey default to your preferences, your belief, your relationship, everything go dey default to am. Even your interest and friend, the type of friend wey you dey get, she go just dey default on am. This thing fit dey look like say this one dey make life easy for me. Hey, na so the thing fit be, go disguise you like say this one no get problem now, it's making life easy for me. My dear, at first na so you go look for your face. You see, the lack of mystery and the depth na go wear you down, because healthy relationship involve two unique identities. So by the time wey she go come begin dey find herself later in life, you no go like the transformation o. The personality wey im go transform into, ni like here o. Maybe she go come dey go dey transform into maybe wild child. Maybe that time before you meet am, that time im dey form that time wey you never find yourself na serious maybe serious I wish which level I go put am. Somebody wey dey very laid back like this, and serious overgbeke self worry am. When you finally find herself, come sabi say I supposed to be this one, I supposed to be that one, that transformation no go sit well with you. Some men dey suffer this matter like this, you. They dey suffer am. They married you, that kind one. Thinking say na who dem same life is easy. When dem enter, when the mystery start to dey unfold, when transformation happen for the one baby, this their wife character, they come dey wonder whether na the same person wey I marry. My brother, you marry the woman wey believe say e go complete you. And if you are a single lady dey lis ten to me like this, so make I tell you, no man born of a woman is coming to complete you. And if you are going about looking for a man to complete you, are on the wrong track. Even if you are a man and you dey lis ten, dey talk say dey find woman wey go complete you, my dear, there's nothing like that. You, no woman born of a woman go come complete you. You need to first of all dey complete on your own. Na compliment dey come compliment you. Your partner suppose come compliment you. That means you already don find yourself. You don already get your path. You don already discover yourself. So this other person too don discover himself. Now come together, come form very caged force. No be say everything you go put on one side. And I no go start this business now, because when I start am now, I no go see man wey go marry me. Or make I wait, make that man come. When he come complete me. Everything half. I no need to discover myself. When I marry, I go discover myself. That woman go come now, go come complete me. My dear, even from time immemorial, Adam was complete before Eve came. Go and read your holy book well. The first man was complete before Eve came. Eve did not come to complete him. Eve came to complement him. And that is what a union supposed to be like. So if you go there, they find that woman where they say complete, and looking for a man to complete me. And the way you see as you go there, they behave. Oh yes, member, now she go they do for you. Wait to make she transform. Go get to you water. Then he get someone and another one too. Some people marry these ones put for us. So today, they know they find am funny. They get this kind innocent look for our side. Hey. If you see her for night, no be wetin you go see if you dey with am in the morning. She go be like one kind innocent person. Some of them, if you see them for early morning, you go come dey wonder whether na the same person wey I see for night. They get deceptive look. Woman wey no fit come clean to you. If you do any, I no even dey against any of this body enhancement, whatever. If you want to do it, no wahala. If you feel If it makes you feel good, why not? If not, if you tomorrow you want to go do breast lift, bum lifts, hip enlargement, butt enlargement, breast augmentation and all of that, you want to go trim your waist, make it dey this one, you want do this one, you want change your nose, you want, some of una go wear the padded butts and all that, and then you carry on this deceptive look for a very long time. You no go tell the man wey you and am dey with you say this thing wey you dey see now, for real life no be like this e be because by the time wey I go in comot everything, I know the thing no big like this naturally you no go talk everything, the person go come discover am, like a story of a man wey marry a lady wey get wey be breast cancer survivor. So he marry am, dem do Christian courtship, so dem no have sex, nothing. They didn't even, you no see the woman color of pants until dem marry. Dem no marry finish na that time the man come see say one breast, na one breast him talk abi na two dem cut off. All along the lady dey wear breast padded bra, come put all the foam inside, come make am be. So the man no dey touch na, no dey do anything now, so you no know say na like that the matter be. So at the end of the day, by the time he found out, marriage was based on deception. The thing lead to divorce. Wetin stop the lady from saying that, see, you see this thing no be like this e be this na this thing, this na this thing. So many women dey go ahead hiding things from their potential suitors dem because dem feel say if dem tell the man go abandon them. I go always tell people here that there is somebody wey want that thing just the way, want you just the way you are. Na you be in perfect match. You know, they find somebody now you in don dey look for. So if other person dey talk say I no fit do the they don't want you because of, just leave them alone. There's somebody wey dey find you as you be. No lie about as you be and wetin dey. No lie about am. If you dey wear padded butt and all that, blah, blah, when you don't dey, I don't say if it be like something wey be where go make you feel a bit maybe less confidence, okay. But one thing where you need to know be say when that right guy come, no worry, he go accept am full. You go let am just know say when you na don dey very comfortable, and let am know say oga, see, you see this thing, you no need to touch am or need to receive. See this thing, I wear padded bum the real one no reach this size see this my breast, I dey wear foam dey pack am join the real size of the breast, because the man fit dey look and I come be say na that the fake size wey him dey see na him dey fall for. Men get wetin dem dey look wey dey catch them for eye. You know say them dey more visual. We emotion dey carry us go, then their eyes dey carry them go well. So maybe that thing they don't see now, wetin they don't get picture for there, and I like the one wey get small breast, I like the one wey get big breast. You can't carry that one wey no be the size, can't give am, mean they look am think say na wetin e be. Real deal, you can't see am later, you can't dey talk say the man no supposed to leave you. Why you no supposed to leave when you dey deceive am? Why you no tell am the truth if you sef no be deceiver? Okay, then another one where you need to run away from. All right, no even bother to say no. Nissan, let me consider I'm small for marriage matter. No consider this time for marriage matter. This one will go always dey compare you with him ex. He go compare you with him ex. He no fit stay one day make he no tell you how him ex dey say sabi iron clothes pass you, how our ex sabi cook pass you, how our ex sabi kiss pass you, how our ex sabi dey good in bed pass you, how our ex tall pass you, fine pass you, do this pass you. Why can't you just be like my ex? A day no fit just go without talking about her ex. You dey there, you won't follow am, put am for us as your wife. Well, I wish you good luck, because the thing where you go see, some of them, your eyes, your mouth fit no talk and finish if you marry that type. the thing wey your eyes go see, your mouth no go fit talk and finish. Woman wey you and am dey date wey be say 1 minute no go pass, one day no go pass, make you no mention im ex do this one, im ex do am that one, im ex do am that one. Somebody wey never get over im ex, na you wan go put for house as your wife. Be ready. And they go dey make you dey do like say you fit beat their ex. Like you go dey make you dey, they go dey make you dey feel like say you go score points. And make me sef as score points, na I need to prove to am say I better pass ex. Oga, you matter give yourself brain o. Road no dey that place o. If you go, well, anything wey you see, make you sha dey ready to pack am. Because you no go always match her expectation. Na ex you. Ex today, ex tomorrow, ex. Na you go dey hear. Then you get this one. Oh, if you dey consider to marry woman, no marry bitter soul o. Wey go dey angry every time they are angry. They are angry at the silliest thing wey you fit think about. Small thing, the silliest thing, e don make them vex. They are so bitter. They no fit take joke. No, stay away from women like this, you. Maybe there's a reason why they behave like that. Maybe they are past or something else. However, it is difficult to cope with a bitter woman. No, I dey always tell people something. Stop fixing what you did not break. Stop it. Stop fixing what you did not break. You didn't break it, don't fix it. All right? Because some of una go feel say na when una date the person, na akiko. If you like, if you register am for therapy, make it be say na the contribution wey you do for am to make im life better. No problem. If you can't get better after the therapy, then you can, and you see say e don better, then you can consider. But if you see dey like that, you can't think say for your mind na marriage go fix am. You are joking. You dey joke better joke, hot one. And na gunpowder you just wan carry your bum go sit down on top. If you see a bitter woman, you fit sign am up for therapy. If you so wish say you and am go end to it. See as in therapy session be, if you don't transform, you don't change, you don't, then you feel then you feel go ahead. But no be for that state you want marry am as a bitter soul, my brother. No be curse. You no go no peace. There will be no peace in that home. Even dating am alone no go get peace. Now one wey be say if you greet you in the morning, you go need to check time. Some babes be like that. They can lie for Africa. When you one day with somebody, you won't spend the rest of your life with somebody wey be say lie. Truth to self no dey in mouth. He go tell you say today dey for Abalende, when you check am, he dey for Yanakwaja. He go tell you say he dey for VI, when you check am, he dey far away for Abule Egba. I am at Etimiyang. Na lie you. When you check, you know the Etimiyang. If he dey for Ogun State, if he dey for Uyo, he go lie about everything. Even something wey you not supposed to lie, he go lie. Some people get lying tongue. If you date somebody where they consistently they lie about things, then you need to think am 10 times before you decide say you want marry that kind baby. Because you no want get into a marriage where be say na so lie, they go they lie, they give you so lie. They go they lie, they give you every time. Then you see that one wey no get respect. That disrespectful lady, stay away from her. If you want no peace. Because one thing why I know women understand, for inside marriage or any relationship at all, whether na relationship between man and woman, one thing wey I know say men understand pass love, na respect you. If you want tell a man say you love him, respect him. That na wetin them understand as love. You see all this your mushy, e get the way e dey reach. if you do your mushy mushy right reach and you don't get respect for that man go feel say you no love him. You see that man where you respect, he don't feel say you love him. If you dey disrespectful to a man, he doesn't believe you love him. One married woman wey go respect you, wey go respect your family members dem, respect your friends dem. So make your choice o. If you go marry the one wey go dey disrespectful to you, to people around you, to friends, you are on your own o. Dem see plenty, and plenty o. Women wey you need to run away from. No consider marriage with them o. If you do wetin, if you consider am, you are on your own. Can tell you maybe one more, then we go just close am for here. You see that one wey be one way traffic. Wetin say marriage na all about am. Marriage dey evolve around am. Okay, they revolve around am. Wey you just look say in dey expect you to take all those they see saying get role to play for inside the relationship. All right, yeah, they feel say in get role, in just expect say make you sha dey do, make you sha dey do, dey go, no need. They get any contribution when they put for, whether emotionally or materially or financially or and otherwise. No get any way na one way traffic. This person be one way traffic. They use am approach if your marriage is just one way traffic. Just they do everything make you no get any role to play for the relationship. They play any role, and won't play any role for the relationship. If you ask am, go tell you say men are expected to be leaders, while the women are the followers. Followers, they say make you be zombie. They say make you they follow be zombie. Make you no get any way. They play any role. Just to they follow you. Go they but they married to somebody we could just they follow you. One way traffic. Yeah. Somebody where if you come meet, make you discuss business ideas with, make you rub minds with. Some men are married to such women. Do you know how frustrating it can be? Wake you there with a partner you cannot rub minds with. My brother, if you never enter am, you no go understand you. Go ask men we don't enter am. We be say some things and we suppose dey within you and just your wife. Just because say the person where you put for us now what? It just be just no just won't use that word. But just when I know otondo, I go just call him to make him mouth. Just otondo for all levels. Even the ginger to one improve. You will carry anything you want make decisions. You can't even take this. If it go follow your woman talk, say this na this, so what do you think? For where they ever get anything to add or contribute for matter? Nothing. Well, I wish you all luck if you go marry that kind of person. And that one where they sabi control, if you go marry that one, you're on your own. No? The wrongest person where you go won't spend the rest of your life with. Now, woman we wants everything to be her way, to go her way. Where they dominant, where be control freak, where they act like saying na be superior and make most of the decisions for inside the relationship. Now she go pick this one, now she go pick that one, now she know they remember you when she take those decisions. And she takes those decisions without your consent. Sometimes you will come begin to find yourself inside the relationship. Am I still existing here? Anyways, I wish you good luck if you go ahead and marry any of these ladies. All right, I wish you good luck because I will be here. I'll be here to collect my money for therapy sessions. Now do my best.